welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a box opening of a full body silicone Kirra by Jade Warner. So excuse the mess on my workspace at the moment. So Kirra is 17 inches. As I said, she's a full body silicone. I will put a picture of her COA, which is this one. So it's back to front to you guys. But it states that she's an unpainted boo-boo silicone kit, and her name's Kirra. Put that back in the box. And this is just a little bit of information on silicones in general. And she also came with a little Huggies nappy. So I have taken her out of the box and the bubble wrap already, but I didn't take her out of the other stuff she's wrapped in. So something a lot of people don't realise is when you get a blank kit, they haven't always been matted first. So the matting makes them smooth and soft. Well, smooth anyway. So that's what she looks like in her little bundle. As you can see, she's quite small. This is your little verbal warning. She is a full body baby, so you will be able to see baby bits. I'll try my best to keep them covered, but it's not always possible. Just keep in mind, she is a doll. So as I was saying before, blank silicone kits can feel very sort of tacky. Unmatted silicone will attract a lot of hair and dust and lint and anything else you do not want to stick to a silicone. It's a pain in the butt, but it's all part of working with silicone. I don't really like the feel of silicone kits or babies that aren't matted. It's just a feel that I really don't like. So that's her gorgeous little face. She doesn't have armature, sorry. I forgot that, but that's okay. I will give her a bath before starting to paint her, and she will be available when finished. I still need to open her mouth, which I might do a video on when I'm ready. But that's her. Her name's Kirra by Jade Warner. She's a gorgeous little thing. I don't want to completely get her out just because I'm not ready to bath her yet. And I don't have any cling wrap to seal her back up in. So, got to be a little bit careful.